Today I've got a quick video for you how to remove a battery from a Ryobi drill. So if you've first got your Ryobi drill and you don't know how to remove it, or you've got a second hand one and you simply have never removed a Ryobi drill battery, all you need to do is press this button here, and on the opposite side this button. So press them both down like that, pull the battery this way, so away from you, and the actual drill the opposite way. So press them both down, pull them apart like that, and they'll easily come apart. So put them back together, line the hole and the battery like that, and you want to hear a visible click like that. Now some batteries are deeper, and if you have smaller hands you may not be able to grip it like this. Come from the top and push down. So to demonstrate that better, come from the top, wiggle it down, and they'll come apart like that. So hopefully that helps you out how to remove a battery from a Ryobi drill.